This is how to log in to Overleaf. First, go to overleaf.com, and on the upper right corner, you can see login. Just click login. So there are three options here to log in, and the fourth option is enter your email and password. If you want to choose one of these, be sure you connect your account inside Overleaf. Let's log in with email first. And enter the password and hit login. Then we will go to account, go to account settings, and scroll down. You see here linked accounts. We will link our Google account. So just click link. And let's try to log into our Overleaf using a Google account. Okay, now we will click login with Google. Then we are automatically logged in to our Overleaf. Be sure your Gmail or the Google account is logged in within the same browser. So this is how to log in to Overleaf.